Anong ginamit nyo? Yan?
Lime juice.
Pero better itong combination na to. You use these products. This is intended for the whole system. Okay? Clear? Okay. Next. Nourishment. Meaning, after doing the cleansing process, kailangan natin bigyan ng sapat na sustansya naman yung katawan. Give proper nutrition to the body. Diba? Because with proper nutrition, no sickness. Diba? Ang purpose ng wellness products is to provide our body the right combination of nutrients so that our body can actually oppose any possible illness that will come in and prevent them from coming in. Okay ba yun?
Okay.
Naintindihan niyo ba? Tagalogin ko. Okay. Ang purpose ng pagbibigay ng tamang nutrisyon ay para mabigyan ng kakayahan yung katawan natin na hindi tablan ng kahit na anong sakit. Kasi pag sapat ang nutrisyon,
Yung mga pinanggagawa
yung
dito sa
lahat ng mekanismo mo, lahat ng organs mo sa katawan,
Tayo upo, tayo
okay?
upo.
Magkakaroon ng kakayahan na tanggalin lahat ng dumi na pumapasok sa katawan. Hindi ka ngayon magkakasakit.
mo yan sa Facebook?
Okay ba yun?
Sa page.
Hindi ko marinig. Yes! Good. Diba? So yun yung kailangan natin.
Anong mamaya?
Diba? Gusto ko pagka milyonaryo na kayo, pag dinalaw niyo ako doon, iti-treat niyo ako. Diba? Gusto niyo yun? Kasi wala kayong sakit. Diba? Okay? Huwag sa Jollibee, ayoko nun. Okay, next. So, these are the products that we have for that. Grapeseed extract. We have the acai berry, the fit right, and
Side, chulo.
grapes organic. Okay. So, this set na naman ng produkto to. Actually, you can use any two combination of this.
Pero nandun ako lagi naglalike.
Grapeseed.
Okay.
Alam niyo ba ang grapeseed extract?
Okay, side.
Year 2000 pa lang, ang dami na ng study sa grapeseed. They have a, you know the French paradox? There's actually a French paradox na sinasabi. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kwento yun tungkol sa mga Pranses na manginginom.
Diyan pa rin si Ito.
Di ba? Manginginom. Ang lalakas uminom ng alak. Di ba? Ang kagandahan sa kanila, hindi sila nagkakasakit. Wala man lang nagkaroon ng problema, lalo na sa puso. So, anong ginawa ng mga scientists? They tried to study the reason why these French guys, who loves drinking, yet they don't have problems with the heart. They studied, and they found out a common denominator. What they're drinking is actually wine coming from the grapes. And they found out that grapeseed extract has very high component of OPC. What's OPC? Oligomeric proanthocyanidins. Okay? These are actually flavonoids. Sa Tagalog, antioxidant. Ay, sa English pala, antioxidant. Okay? Na ang kakayahan niya, labanan yung mga, yung taba, no? Sorry. Yung taba. Okay? At kontrolin yung pagdami ng taba sa katawan. Palakasin yung ugat, yung blood vessels. Improve the circulation para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problema sa katawan natin, especially the heart. So yung circulatory system are being taken care of using this product. Aside pa dun sa kakayahan niya, ng mga vitamins and minerals present with this. Because grapeseed extract, they compared the grapeseed extract against vitamin E. They found out that they are 50 times better than vitamin E. This product, grapeseed, is 50 times better than your vitamin E. And vitamin E is what? Anong intention natin sa vitamin E? For the skin and the heart. And your grapeseed is even better than that. Another study done against vitamin C is 20 times better than vitamin C as antioxidants. 20 times better. And that's the reason why these French guys are actually doing good. Diba? So hindi naman tayo manginginom eh. Kaya uminom na lang tayo ng grapeseed extract. Tama? Diba? Manginginom ba kayo?
Opo.
We don't like drinking much.
Red
Filipinos are not that.
Red horse ba?
Not all. Except for the guys, di ba? Alam mo, mahilig bang uminom sa atin, mga tambay eh. Tama, di ba? Ang problema, iniinom nila, hindi naman grape, hindi naman wine. Di ba? Diba? Tama ba? In the Philippines, those who love drinking are actually those who love in the States. They don't work. They love drinking from morning till they drop. So, those are the guys na they don't actually care about themselves. But those individuals who take care of themselves, they don't drink for much. Okay?
Yung sabi ko sa kanya,
Unlike the French guys, they love drinking also. They frequent the bars. Diba? Okay? So, that's grapes and extra. Now, what about acai berry? Acai berry, by the way, is from Amazon also. They found out that this berry has a very high ORAC value. You know ORAC value? Hindi nyo rin alam? Okay. Sa English pa rin, ang ORAC means Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. Ibig sabihin, ito yung kakayahan ng berries na yan para kontrolin yung pagkakaroon ng pangangalawang sa katawan mo. Alam niyo yung pangangalawang?
Antioxidant.
Ha? Oxidation means, sa Tagalog, pangangalawang. You know, oxidation process. This product will prevent the oxidation process inside the body. Antioxidant. Oxidation means pangangalawang. Di ba yung bakal, kinakalawang? To prevent oxidation of those metals, anong ginagawa natin? Pinipinturahan natin, di ba? We paint them. Okay. Ang problem is, hindi ko kayo pwedeng pinturahan. Di ba? What we need are products that are high in antioxidant or high in ORAC value to actually prevent oxidation process inside the body. And acai berry has that. Okay? Sa ngayon, siya yung pinakamataas ang ORAC value. Next is Fit Right. Of course, ang Fit Right, sabihin nyo, pampapayat. Di ba? Kaya nga fit eh. Should be fit. Anong combination yan? We have green tea and L-carnitine. Another one which is ampalaya. Bitter gourd. The bitter melon. Yeah. Ampalaya is known as bitter gourd or bitter melon internationally. Okay? Sa atin, ampalaya. Sa atin, iba, amargoso.
Yes.
Diba? Tama ba? Bisaya ba yun?
Yes. Amorgo.
Ha?
Chabacano, para pwede.
Ano ba? Ano ba ibang language sa ampalaya?
Palya! Palya!
Kasi bahala na kayo.
Ilocano
Diba?
naman yan.
Basta what I know is, ang tawag niyan, ampalaya, amargoso, is another, which is also amargoso din yan yata sa Indonesia eh. Okay?
Sambuanga.
Or in Thailand, ganun din yata. Now, okay. It has green tea and L-carnitine. The very purpose is actually to help our body improve with what? Improve in fat metabolism. Pagtunaw ng taba. Diba? Fat metabolism. The presence of L-carnitine. Okay? Ako po? As we grow old, our metabolism slows down.